Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on how to make a one-side pleated hijab. So for this tutorial I'm using a 60 inches by 30 inches fabric, and the first thing I did is that I hemmed all the sides. So after that I'm just going to fold my fabric into two. I'm folding the 60 inches part in such a way that I will have 30 inches at both sides. Then at that joint part, I'm going to take my edge circumference divided by 2, so which is 20 divided by 2, so that's 10 inches, and I'm going to stitch from that part, from the chalked part down. So after stitching, I'll just turn it to the right side, and I stitched on the wrong side, so I'll just turn it to the right side. So the next thing I'm going to do is just for me to pleat the front side, and I'm going to start my pleats from that angle, from that side there to the side here. So I'll just start forming pleats, and I will make sure my pleats are uniform in such a way that I won't have a big one and then a small one. So I'll make sure that I have uniform pleats. I'm just going to start forming the pleats, and I'll use my straight pin to hold it down. So now I'm done forming my pleats, and this is what it looks like. So I'll just take it to my sewing machine now, and I'm going to secure that pleat by stitching on it. Just going to stitch it around. So after stitching, this is what we are going to have. So for this, our hijab is ready, but I'm going to cover up my stitch with the trimmings. So this will cover up the stitch, and this will also act as a beautification for it. So I'm just going to pin down my trimmings to my hijab. So I'll just pin it all, and then I'll cut out the excess. After which I'll take it to my sewing machine, and I'll just secure it. So after stitching this, we're going to have, so this is the final look of our hijab, and this is it normal. So I'll just pull it on my shoulder. So that's the second way to use it. So that's all for this hijab. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.